Hey everyone! Welcome back to V8X, the home of luxury skies and aviation power. If you love helicopters, speed, and sky-high adventures, hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to smash that like for more insane aerial machines. Helicopter fire. Today, we're taking a closer, deeper, and more cinematic look at the stunning 2025 Sikorsky S-76D. A masterpiece of modern engineering, shining boldly in its pearl white finish. This beauty represents the next chapter of tourism, corporate travel, and private aviation. Right here in the United States. From the front view, this helicopter demands attention. The aerodynamic nose, the wide cockpit glass, and the commanding stance create a presence that's impossible to ignore. Every line at the front is engineered for stability, smooth airflow, and maximum visibility, giving pilots unmatched confidence whether they're landing on a rooftop, a yacht deck, or a high-altitude helipad surrounded by mountains. Move to the right side, and you're met with a perfect blend of elegance and power. The fuselage sweeps backward with clean, futuristic geometry, while the landing gear sits ready for action, built strong enough to handle both luxury operations and challenging terrain. Sunlight dances across the pearl white surface, creating reflections that feel almost liquid. Shift to the left profile, and you get a complete view of the cabin doors, the rotor mast, and the beautiful curvature of the body. Here, the engineering really shines, aerodynamic, balanced, and purpose-driven. You can almost imagine passengers stepping in for a VIP tour, or executives boarding for a high-priority flight. Swing around to the rear, and the S-76D shows off its muscle. The tail rotor design screams precision and control, delivering stability you can trust even in strong coastal winds or tight landing zones. The rear lights, vents, and tail boom blend together like a piece of art, crafted from aerospace-grade materials. From above, the symmetry becomes breathtaking. The blades stretch out evenly like wings of a futuristic bird, hovering over a glowing helipad marked with Sikorsky S-76D 2025, while the American flag waves proudly in the backdrop, creating a scene worthy of a Hollywood aviation film. Step inside the cockpit, and you enter a world of pure technology. Digital glass displays, flight computers, advanced avionics, and a panoramic windshield make this cockpit feel like it's straight from a sci-fi movie. Every switch, every latch, every detail is designed for precision and luxury. Zoom into the engine bay, and you'll find metallic perfection. Turbine engineering, chrome detailing, and aerodynamic exhaust shaping all come together to deliver a performance profile that speaks for itself. Smooth, powerful, and incredibly efficient. And finally, the hero angle, the ultimate cinematic shot. This magnificent machine stands proud on the helipad, surrounded by admirers, with Sikorsky S-76D 2025 glowing beneath it like a seal of aviation royalty. Sparkles. And yes, the price? You're looking at around $14 million US, depending on configuration, avionics packages, and regional customization. That's what it takes to own the sky, V8X style. Money with wings. So if this ride blew your mind, make sure you subscribe and join the V8X family today, because we bring you the most breathtaking machines from across the world every single week. Until next time, stay inspired, stay lifted, and keep your eyes on the sky. Helicopter United States.